Step into the 2020 Jeep Renegade. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.